Hi guys, it's me Ishna and I'm going to be unboxing these two toys. So first one we're going to be unboxing is the Lost Kitties series. I'm not sure what series this is. And Hatchimals series 2. Will I be able to find the golden Hatchimals? Okay, so let's get started in the video. So I think I'll start with unboxing. What do you want to unbox first? Tell Mom, tell me.
Hatchimals?
Hatchimals? Okay. Let's do Hatchimals. So I'm just gonna open this up. Okay. Okay, so let's open this up. Oh wow, strong, huh? So I'm just gonna tear it apart like that. Whoa, it looks so cool. So let's see what this is. First, we got a small nest for the Hatchimal to sit in. See all the detail. Okay. Let's get the checklist out. That's the instructions. Let's see the checklist. Whoa, check it out. Checklist looks so cool. Okay, so these are all the ones you can find. Looks good. So we have family, famile. We have forest, farm, jungle. We have the forest. This is the forest group, the first one. Then this is the farm. This is forest. The first one, forest. The second one is farm. Third one is jungle. The fourth one is our garden. The garden. Then it is the river. River animals. Then we have savanna. Then we have desert. Then we have the ocean. And last but not least, limited editions, magical meadow. Oh wait, there's one more. Special editions, snowflakes shine, and crystal canyon. And then the magical meadow. Check that back side. Can I find the limited edition golden Hatchimals? Okay, just take a look at them real quick. Okay, let's start unboxing guys. Whoa, they look so cute. They look so cute. Okay, let's see the instructions to these while you can take a look at them. So look at them right here. Nice. Okay, let's see how do we make. Let's see how we are supposed to do. So first, we have to. This is my first time actually unboxing these, so I'm super excited. So let's get these out. Very fragile. Oh, can you hear it? It's racking. Okay, let's set that in the nest while we don't get the other one out. Nice. Wow. Oh no, I broke it. This one wasn't ready to hatch and it already had a crack in it. Oh no. Oh no. Let's hatch this one first because it's got a crack in it. So let's try it. Let's rub the heart. So first you're going to rub the heart. Hold it, rub the heart, and as you can see it was purple and now it's pink. So it was purple like this one and now it's such a beautiful baby pink. Or is it hot pink? I'm not sure. So I'm just gonna hold it in my hand, cradle it, check it out. It's pink, pink. Ima, no, my sister. Oh my gosh, she took the Hatchimals. Ah! Okay, so I got this. Now let's look for the sauce. So this is ready. Let's look for the soft spot. Oh, I found it. Look at it. You can see it has a rainbow beak. I think it's a toucan. Wow. Let's hatch it. Okay. Oh, wow. What is this? What is this thingy? Oh, look at it. It's a baby toucan. It's a baby toucan. Look at it. Okay, now let's see where it is from. The baby toucan, let's see. I'll just show you. Where is this baby toucan from? Okay, it's not from the... to find it on the checklist. Okay, so I got the name of this Hatchimals. It's Tuco from the jungle. Okay, mommy. Tuco. Can you see that one? Right from the jungle. So we'll take that off as soon as we get our next baby Hatchimal out. So we'll take this one out and we'll keep the little newborn Tuco right in the nest. Okay, so let's start by hatching the next egg. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's clear up the space a bit. Move all this all to the side. Okay, now let's hatch it. Come on, rub with me. Rub, rub, rub. As you can see, it magically turns into a pink color. And if they get cold again, they turn back purple and they're not ready to hatch. So we're gonna just rub it for a while until it turns a really good pink. A real good pink. You think that's a good pink? Okay. That's fine. Now there's always a soft spot somewhere in the egg. Now we just have to find it. So as you can see, the pink heart, you can always find it on the pink heart, but okay. I'm going to use a spoon, okay? I'm going to use a spoon. Where is the soft spot? Oh, I think it's right here. No? Okay. Come out, baby Hatchimals. Is it not ready to hatch yet? Is it? Oh, God. What has happened? Ah! Oh, wait. Oh, my. I can't seem to open the egg, guys. Oh, so my mom helped me crack out and find the soft spot. Now, I'm going to take a spoon. Eat this for breakfast. Who like to eat Hatchimals for breakfast? Not me. Okay, so let's just get it out. Wait, who is this guy? Okay, let me just get this out. Let me just get this out. Ouch, ow, ow. Oh, it's tiny baby giraffe with wings. It's a giraffe. Can you see it? It has tiny wings. Look at its tiny tail, and its tiny wings, so it can fly. Okay, so well, let's see who this is. I think I saw it somewhere. So let's see who this is. What is this name? Giro, and he is a common. Tuco was also a common. So this is Giro, he's a common. Giro, right there. So let's see. So we have one from the jungle and one from the savannah. Both fits into one nest. Deep, deep, deep. Okay, there. So we're done unboxing these. So we'll take off what we have later on the checklist. So let's clear up our space. So these are the Lost Kittens milk carton, and they look so cute. I mean, like you can even see them right here. Can you see them? One's the big, fat, chubby one, and one's a grumpy one. You can see all the kittens at the back. Can you see the one eating pizza, who has a pizza in their head? Can you see that one? Because I love it. I hope I get that one. Okay, so let's start unboxing this. Oh, wow. What is this? What is this? Look at the cat peeking out of the books. Okay, so I think this is the checklist. I don't know. We got chocolate milk. We got chocolate milk. Okay, so carton open. So we got chocolate milk. I'm gonna leave you for that to you see. As you can see, we have chocolate milk. I'll just check out what this list is for. What is this? Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. Can you see the one who has bread in their head? I'm a breadhead. I'm a breadhead. So that's all. Those are many kitties. So let's just see all the kitties checklist. This is like series 1, catitude. Then this is if it. What is if it is? Let's try this one. Noms. Working it. Okay, let's try this one. Scaredy cats. Nay, not telling it. Okay, I can't pronounce it. So these are the working, and adorbs, and catletic. So, how is that fat one supposed to be in catletic? It's not athletic at all. How is a fat kitten supposed to be in athletic? How is a fat, obese kitten supposed to be an athletic? I have no idea. Okay. Looks like we got chocolate milk. Let's see if they have anything about the milk in here. Okay, no. Is there anything else that came in here? No, okay, I guess so. So, let's open this up. I have a spoon here so that we can dig the kitty out. Okay. Oh, look at this. You can actually see milk spills. They put small detail in the Play-Doh of milk spills. Okay, now you're just gonna have to dig through the. What is this? I don't even know if this is Play-Doh or not. Okay, I'm just gonna dig through this. I'm just gonna dig with my fingers. Oh wait, I found something. Can you see that? There's something blue. I'm just gonna dig through it. I don't know who did you find inside. Let's see who did you. It says, who did you find inside? Is this supposed to be a granny cat? I'm not sure. Is this supposed to be a granny cat with a bread in it? I don't know. Okay, can you see how close we are to getting that blind bag out? Okay, I think I can just hold it now. Yeah, there we go. Dab all of the slimy kitten milk back. And the kitten will dive in that later. Let's keep it there. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Okay, so I got this open. As you can see, the cut is in here. Okay. Yay! And now we're gonna both up and pop out. Spit it out. Who are you? Who is this? He is creeping me out. Chicken leg. Chicken. Did cats eat? Check it out. He's eating a giant chicken leg. He's eating a giant chicken leg. Let's see who this is. Let's do this. I want to see it. What is this? Eating a giant. Looks like he's from the catitude. This is Tummy Tum. Tummy Tum. No? Mr. Mush, you see Mr. Mush? They should have called him Tummy Tum. Look at his big tummy. This is Tummy Tum. But they should have called this one Mr. Mush and this one Mr. And they should have used, okay. You see, this one is the one we got. Mr. Tummy Tum. Now, can you see Mr. Mush? They should have called him Mr. Mush because he's so mushy. And this Mr. Tummy Tum. Look at his tummy. Look at it. And what is he from? Catletic. How is he supposed to be athletic? I think I would like, if I had to think what I want, I would want Cheesy. I mean, look at him. He's so cheesy. Cheesy is there's something cheesy about Cheesy the cat. That's one, the one with the cheese pizza. So that also comes with brown. Oh, looks Snoozle also looks cute. He comes with pink milk. Yummy. Okay. Later. Let's see if Mr. Tummy Tum came with any accessories. Something we missed? Wait, I feel something. There's something else in here. What? 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 Okay. Where's that spoon? Where did that spoon go? What is this? Oh. Okay, I'm gonna be needing something more. My hands are feeling so... Oh wait, there's another thing at the back. Wow, I didn't dig hard enough. Okay. Oh my. Oh wait, there's another thing. What? Is this the ice cream cone? Okay, we'll just clean those up in a minute. So it looks like it came with a sticker. Okay, let me just wipe this off. There. I made you foods, but I ate it. I made you foods, but I ate it. Funny, huh? Okay. So, I want to show you a little bit more about the lost kittens. As you can see, at the end, I just found out about these two accessories that came in the milk at the very bottom of the carton with this lovely sticker. I made you foods, but I ate it because I'm hungry. Okay. So here is something I forgot to tell you before we opened it, so I'll just tell you now. This set includes two accessories. Okay, look. This set includes a lost kitty figure, two accessories, shaping compound, which is this thing. Then it is meme sticker, which is this thing, and collector's sheet, which is this. Okay. So now so I'll just show you. So the two accessories I got was this bread sandwich set, which will just go on his ears like that, because he's been doing some serious eating in the kitchen. Mom, I think you'd like this cat to eat all the extra food, right?
Yes.
Then we have this ice cream that I just like to put it in the chair. Okay, never mind. There. Okay, I'm just gonna keep him laying down because that's also an option. And his ice cream cone is just gonna lie on the floor with him. There. So here's the shaping compound, collector's guide. So that's what we got with the lost kitten set. Okay, whatever it's called. So that's the lost kitten set. Now let me show you the other figures I got from Hatchimals. So let's clean this up. Shaping compound, so good. It smells like chocolate milk. Well, it is chocolate milk. Chocolate milk. So I'm just gonna show you what I got from Hatchimals again, even though I already showed you. I got the nest, and I got Tickle. Squawk, he's flying there. Hello. And Gigo, he's also flying there. Ooh. And they both share the same nest. The funny thing that even though they both share the same nest, they both are from the different places. This one is from the jungle and this one is from the savannah. So let me wrap it up real quick. I'll show you all the toys I got today. So I got Lost Kittens, Mr. Tummy Tum, his shaping compound, a meme sticker with an ice cream cone, then the Hatchimals with their egg, tiny eggshell, right, still left, and then the collector's guides, Don't forget the nest. That's it for this video. Please hit the notification bell, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and if you want more videos like this, toy reviewing, unboxing, whatever you want, if we can find it in our country, we will definitely show it to you on camera. Bye guys!